Hi there, my name's Andrew Kidd and I lead the National Poolworks Support Office that provide guidance, training and supervision to a fleet of 400 service vans across Australia. Poolworks has been in the pool and spa maintenance business for 25 years and we've got a proud record of working with pool owners, whether they be private individuals, landlords or tenants, in ensuring their pool is maintained safely for the long run. Properties with pools typically attract a high number of tenancy applicants and an even higher rental, so that puts you in a good space. But what you do need to do is make sure that that pool is being maintained correctly to avoid short and long term issues. We've got a great deal of experience in this space and have been working with national real estate providers for 25 years. We provide a number of services for landlords and tenants to ensure their pools maintained correctly. Firstly, probably one of the most important ones is pre-tenancy. We can complete a full system check and audit. So we run through all the equipment, make sure it's adequately maintained, in good working order, and the tenants coming in are set up to succeed in looking after your pool. We also provide a complimentary handover service when a tenancy begins. So one of our qualified and certified technicians will meet on site with the new tenants. They'll run through the equipment and the system and show them how to operate it, give them some tips on what to keep an eye on and run them through how to properly test and maintain the water and check that the chlorinator and all the other bits and pieces are performing properly. We also provide a regular maintenance service where we come to site and can do all the servicing and take that away from the tenants. Also at the end of a tenancy we're able to come along and do an exit inspection as part of your bond process to make sure all the gear is still on site in good working order and give you peace of mind that you're ready to go next time you let your property. Thanks for your time. Look forward to seeing how we can help you.